Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 20b, in which we will talk about prepositions and how they change their meanings. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 84 words which occur almost 26,500 times in the Quran. Let's take 4 important points about prepositions or huruf jar. We have learned 7 prepositions which occur more than 9,000 times in the Quran by themselves or attached with hu, hum, ka, i, kum, na and ha. These prepositions along with their meanings and example are li for Alhamdulillah, min from a'udhu billahi minash shaitan, an with radiyallahu anhu, bi in bismillah, fi in fi sabilillah, ala on assalamu alaikum, ila to ilayhi raji'un. Point number 1 about these prepositions is that different languages use different prepositions. For example, in Arabic I say amantu billahi. In English it will be translated as I believed in Allah. But in Urdu, for example, we say main Allah par iman laya. Par means on. It does not mean that bi means in or on. Actually, it means that when you say something about belief, you use the preposition in English. In Urdu, we use the preposition on, and in Arabic, the preposition is bi. So just look at the verb and use the preposition of your language for that verb. Second point, preposition is there in Arabic but not in English. For example, we say يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ in Arabic, but in English we will not say entering in the religion of Allah. We don't translate fi because yadkhuluna fi together means entering. Or ighfir li, forgive me. We don't say forgive for me because ighfir li together becomes forgive. Point number 3, preposition may not be there in Arabic but required in English. For example, we say warhamni and have mercy on me. You have to add on because irham means have mercy on. Similarly, we say qina adhab an-nar, save us from your punishment, because qi means save from. And lastly, change of preposition changes the meanings. For example, in English we have get, meaning obtain something, get in, get out, get on, get at. Every time you change the preposition, the meaning changes. Similarly, in Arabic, you have salli. Li means pray to. Salli ala means send peace on. For example, salli ala Muhammad. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.